Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Comic Clan? Errol here, and you're running the HRC with High Road Comics. And today, I'm going to be going over my new comic book picks for Wednesday, June 6th? Or is it the 5th? 2019. It's the 5th. Woo! Okay, so let's go ahead and check out what I got. It's a pretty big haul, but don't tell anybody. Okay, so starting off with War of the Realms. This is my read of the week. I haven't even read the rest of them yet, but went ahead, skipped, and War of the Realms is fantastic. We also have War of the Realms, New Agents of Atlas, and War of the Realms, Journey into Mystery. Okay, sorry about the cam. Let me push it back a little bit. But yeah, War of the Realms is actually a good tie-in. I actually hate to say it, but I like it better than Spider-Geddon. And I only say that because I love Spider-Man. But then again, I love Jason Aaron, so Marvel's winning. Some people say, why do you buy all their titles? And I said, you know what, as long as it's actually good read and the art's great, I'm going to keep doing it. But I'm not done with Marvel yet. So this is one of my favorite variants. It's a runner-up for Marvel Pick of the Week, variant Pick of the Week. But this is actually the first one that I didn't get cover A to. If I was rich, I'd probably go back and get the cover A, but this cover B just killed it. Eddie Granoff. Can't wait to get you to sign this one day and get it CGC'd. And there's no backboard on this yet, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Yeah, I don't know why the LCS does that, but that pisses me off. Shannon McGuire, Spider-Gwen Ghost Spider number 9. It's not Donny Cates, but it's a Donny Cates creation. Cosmic Ghost Rider destroys Marvel History number 4. And this is actually my third place. I don't know. I'm not going to do this every week where I do second, third place. But this is... Oh, no. This is not a variant. This is my regular cover pick of the week for Marvel. I know I'm cheating. I'm doing like Marvel and DC, but anything with a dragon on it is pretty badass. That's a dragon, right? Anything with a monster on it is pretty badass, which, by the way, Godzilla was fantastic. Guardians of the Galaxy number 1, the annual number 1, and I went with this variant. I don't know who drew it. I feel bad because I looked this up the other day when I did my predicted picks of the week, but I was tempted, but I didn't do it. Pat myself on the back. I was gonna get the 1 in 50 that had Nova and Adam Warlock on the front. It was all black cover, and I'm a sucker for those. Okay, we got Savage Avengers number 2, Uncanny X-Men number 19, Captain Marvel number 6. It's a War of the Realms tie-in, I gotta get it. And Black Cat, the Art Germ variant. So awesome. I wasn't gonna grab Black Cat number 1 because, you know, too many on my pull list. I'm not gonna be grabbing this on the regular unless there's like a key. I'll just get it on the back issue bin. But this is a gorgeous cover. Hope to get it signed one day. Oh, my bad. I have one more Marvel comic, and this is OG Amazing Spider-Man number 1. Maybe one day, little guy, maybe one day I can grab the actual Amazing Spider-Man number 1. I actually read this recently, and it's actually tough for me to stay engaged. And then here is my variant, overall variant, number 1 Marvel, overall any variant, pick of the week, War of the Realms, Journey to Mystery number 4. Yeah, I got this at a different shop. Otherwise, I wouldn't have got the regular cover. So I'm probably going to sell the regular cover on eBay or Mercari. We'll see. But this is my favorite. It's a Jen Bartel. I got Dory on the front, cradling a baby, and it's cute. It's cute. All right, moving on to DC. Let me move these close to me. We got my DC cover variant of the week. It's a Nightmare on Elm Street variant, Deceased #2. I'm actually going to read this right after I film this video. While it's editing, rendering, I'm going to be reading that. Batman #72 went with cover A. How it was torn. Hold on, let me tell my dog to STFU. Paul, get in here. You know what? I'm not even gonna edit it out because that's what I'm gonna do. Dog's name's Apollo and he's mean. He's a jerk. We got Justice League #25. And that's it for DC. I was gonna get Young Justice #6, but it was sold out everywhere. One Boom Studios, Kevin Wada, #5. You got Angel on the cover. All of Kevin Wada's variants for Buffy the Vampire Slayer have been killer. So as long as he's doing them, I'm gonna grab it. And then I haven't pulled Angel at all yet, so we'll see. Oh no, I got Angel 0. My independent variant pick of the week. You got cover B. It's the Eastman variant of Batman Ninja Turtles #2. Don't know why I grabbed it. Spur of the moment. And I got 2 more left. So this is where I want to kick myself in the butt. LCS got me. I'm really starting to like them less and less. Not only because they do this where they bag it without a board. I mean, I'd rather them just make me buy the bag and board than give me the free bag, because I actually end up damaging the comic when I try to take it out of a backed comic. But you got here a key issue of The Walking Dead #192. I went to another shop and they had a stack of this one at regular price. I don't know why I fell for it. Sucker. So I didn't want to get 2 of the same cover. I got this. In the future, I'm gonna grab one of my favorite Walking Dead artists to do a sketch commission on it, and do it up proper. But yeah, that's all I got. Speaking of sketches, I already showed this on last week's video, but I have to show it again. It's still my favorite cover. Oh, actually, that's why I wanted to show it to you. So notice here, I put a yellow sticker at the top. I got a new way that I'm going to be organizing my comics. Check it out. Ooh. You can see it. You can. So I'm going to do a yellow sticker for variants because I have lots of variants and I have lots of yellow stickers. You could grab these at the dollar store or something. For pink, it's gonna be Cameo first appearance. Green, first appearance or first cover appearance because I have another color. A red would be Death, and autographed or slap it in the future. I'm gonna put a dark blue sticker on there. So let me know what you think about that. Is it a good idea? Is it too much work? Oh, that's also what I was gonna show you. I don't have it on this. Actually, here. I think. No? Oh, yeah. For example, this one, I have a green sticker on there, and green means first appearance or first cover. So on the back, I also put the sticker of how much I bought it for in the corner, and I'm not always gonna put that tag on there. And then what's in it, so first full appearance of MJ, and the date that I bought it, so I could reminisce, this day in history. I bought the first full appearance of MJ. So yeah, that's all I got. Thank you for being here. Ranting, I'm raving. I'm gonna try to edit the dog part out, but just a little short on time. Black Mirror just came out, Handmaid's Tale just came out. Been busy at work, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do it up. That's all I got. This is High Road Comics. About to take this exit. I'll see you at the next stop. And don't forget, if you're ever in a pickle or you find yourself at the crossroads, always take the high road.